Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will see in the video what is a differential pressure flow meter and how does it works.
Differential pressure meters works on the principle of partially obstructing the flow in the pipe. Imagine you are filling up a bucket with the water from a hose. Have you ever noticed how the water comes out stronger when you partially cover the end of the hose with your thumb? That's because you are creating a pressure difference by obstructing the flow. Now think of a differential flow meter like a fancy version of that thumb trick. This creates a difference in the static pressure between the upstream and downstream sides of the device. The difference in the static pressure, referred to as the differential pressure, is measured and used to determine the flow rate. Differential pressure meters are hugely popular, and it's estimated that at least 40% of the industrial flow meters is in use at a present. Differential pressure devices with the orified plate being the most popular. Differential pressure devices have been used to meter a wide variety of different fluids from gases to highly viscous liquids. The popularity of differential pressure flow meter is in a part due to their simple design and low cost. The most common types of differential pressure meters are orifice plate, venturi tube, cone meters, nozzles, low loss meters, variable area meters, inlet flow meters, venturi cones, venturi nozzles, drag plate. These are the main types of differential pressure flow meters. Now let's understand pros and cons of the differential pressure flow meters. They are simple to make, containing no moving parts. Their performance is well understood. They are cheap, especially in larger pipes when compared with the other meters. They can be used in any orientation. They can be used for the most gases and liquids. Some types do not require calibrations for certain applications. The main disadvantages of DP meters are rangeability is less than for most other types of flow meter. Significant pressure losses may occur. The output signal is nonlinear with the flow. Industries where differential pressure flow meter can be used are oil and gas industry, chemical processing, water and wastewater treatment plants, power generation, HVAC, pharmaceuticals, food and beverages, pulp and paper, mining and minerals, aerospace and automotive. These are the basic industries that they are using differential pressure flow meters. Now, let's understand things to keep in mind while ordering the differential pressure flow meter. First, how much liquid and how big is the pipe? Second, what kind of liquid are you measuring? Third, when and how will you install it? Fourth, how accurate does it need to be? Fifth, can it handle the temperature and pressure? Sixth, what's the environmental like? 7. Any extra features you need? And 8. How much does it cost?